Today we're going to be looking at how to upgrade the firmware in an area controller. As you can see from the highlighted section, the current firmware version for the area controller R0 is 1.29.2. To start the update process, open the list of commands from the highlighted drop-down menu. Select the command Download Firmware EP from the list. Then select the command button to execute the command. The pop-up window will prompt you to select an area controller to update. Use the drop-down menu to select the correct controller. After selecting the area controller, you will be prompted to select the firmware version. Once again, use the drop-down option to select the firmware. Select the most recent firmware for the controller type. Be sure to select the correct firmware version for the controller type, as it's possible to corrupt the controller if the wrong firmware type is selected. Select the OK button to start the upload process. The start of the process is indicated by the status of area controller details being displayed, including the current firmware version. There is no visual feedback on the process. However, after a few minutes the controller will reboot, displaying a communication lost event. After approximately 30 seconds, the controller should come back online. As part of this process, it will display the new updated firmware version. That's all for the firmware update process. Thanks for watching.